We are here today to unveil LEGOLAND Florida Resort's newest and coolest LEGO build. To celebrate the upcoming opening of LEGO Ferrari Build and Race, we are proud to show off this life-size Ferrari 296 GTS. This incredible build will inspire guests the moment they step inside the new LEGO Ferrari Build and Race experience. The entire attraction is designed to put your imagination in the driver's seat as you build, configure, and race your own LEGO Ferrari race car. The LEGO Ferrari 296 GTS is nearly 2 tons, and our expert model builders spent over 1,800 hours putting it together brick by brick and partnered with Ferrari to ensure that every detail matches the real Ferrari 296 GTS. We know the biggest question our guests are going to have about this incredible build is how many Lego bricks it took to build. Well, we invite everyone to our Instagram page at LEGOLAND Florida to comment with their best guess before we officially announce it. The LEGO Ferrari Build and Race experience opens here at LEGOLAND Florida Resort on Friday, March 8th. For more information, visit LEGOLANDFlorida.com, and we'll see you at the starting line.